We're here today to check out what's going on with the Cocoa Works. We're brand new to the industry. We've got the goal in 2018 to develop our own chocolate bar. So we're trying to get as much information together as possible to let that dream become a reality.
I think it's great. I mean, you can see a really obvious strong business model here, that you've got people who come here, see the attraction, buy stuff to take away, but equally they possibly had the product somewhere else before. So that, you know, that's a virtuous circle, and the stuff about sustainability and York's chocolate history, there's a lot of reinforcement, sort of win-win quality to it. It's absolutely great to see chocolate production return to the heart of York.
Well, I think it's fantastic to have an opportunity like this and to make real chocolate, proper chocolate in York, where the community can actually access it and see it being made.
It's very exciting for us because we've been involved with this project almost from day one. It is good to see how much space there actually is and how much potential there is for the future use. The fact that this is being picked up now by a very enthusiastic team with a big vision for the future is very good, and we can only wish the best of success for the resumption of chocolate production in this great city.